S-Team, eh? The S must stand for slow motion.
It's accelerating. Boost your rear wing angle to 20 degrees.
Roger.
Well, it's starting to look like the rush hour. Oh no, how will I ever escape?
Where is he? Did I run him over? Huh? Hey, you! This is dangerous! It's irresponsible! What happens if kids start trying this?
Kids, don't use Formula One race cars to chase hedgehogs.
You're not gonna treat the S-Team like chumps. We'll teach you a lesson. Boost all wings 0.5 degrees, and let's get this guy.
Roger.
Full throttle. What the? How can... It's playing with us!
Where'd this thing come from? Chief, you gotta do something!
Playtime is now officially over. Attention all units! Open the center line! I didn't think I'd have to do this, but I have no choice. I will not have anybody faster than me on my highway. The only way he can beat me now is if he goes supersonic. A sonic boom! He's moving faster than the speed of sound!
Chief, you're running out of road!
Maybe this place isn't so bad. At least I know somebody I can have fun with.